Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making biscuits and sausage gravy. Biscuits and gravy is a staple in Southern breakfast. For our ingredients we have pork sausage, butter, all-purpose flour, milk, garlic, black pepper, and salt. Club soda, sour cream, butter. So here we're going to move on to making our biscuits. You want to melt a stick of butter in your pan. And once your butter has melted, you want to take it out of the oven and you want to set it to the side. Next, we're going to put our sour cream into our biscuit mix. And we're just going to mix that up and we're going to add our club soda as we're mixing. And we're just going to give that a good mix until we come up with a sticky dough. Here we're going to turn it out on a floured surface. I'm just going to make sure that I get flour on the top of it so it's not sticking to my gloves. And then I'm going to pat it out. And we're just going to cut out our biscuits. And we're going to set our biscuits into our buttered pan. We're going to put our biscuits in the oven. We're going to bake them at 425 degrees until they are brown on the top and on the sides. So next we're going to move on to making our sausage gravy. In a large skillet over medium heat, we're going to add our sausage. With a wooden spatula, you're going to break up your sausage into smaller pieces while stirring. We're going to cook our sausage until it is brown and fully done. This takes anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. We have taken our sausage out of the pan and we have set our sausage to the side. I'm just showing you the biscuits. They are out of the oven. And we're going to move on to making our gravy for our sausage. Here we're going to place butter in our skillet. And we're going to stir it until it has melted. Next, we're going to sprinkle our flour, our garlic, and then our black pepper. You want to stir slowly until all your grease is fully absorbed. You want to continue to stir and let the flour cook fully for about 2 minutes. Next, we're going to pour in our milk and we're going to continue to stir and simmer until the gravy has thickened. That takes anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we're going to add our sausage. We're just going to stir our sausage into our gravy and make sure that is fully incorporated. And you want to add salt if needed. If your gravy is too thick, you want to add at least a half cup of milk. Or you could start with a little bit until your gravy is the consistency that you like. And here is our sausage and gravy. It's just that easy, simple ingredients. You don't need anything else. If you want to add a little bit of oil from your sausage, that makes it even better. So our sausage gravy is done. What we did, we poured some sausage gravy over our biscuits, and this was a delicious breakfast. And here's our biscuits. They are nice and fluffy. Today we made biscuits and sausage and gravy. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Baby We Eat.